everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Morgan Christine and thanks for joining me for this video that's going to be a product review. I realize that it's been such a long time since I've done a singular product review, but I did get requests for this product because it was in my everyday makeup routine as well as my October favorites. If you are interested, just keep on watching. The product that I will be reviewing for today is the Camo Tiger Grass Camo Drops. Now, these are by Dr. Jart, and I know a while ago I had done a product review on the cream, the balm that they had, which is a color corrector as well. And then I know I've mentioned at some point the Tiger Grass balm, which is, not a color corrector, but it actually helps heal and repair the skin with no neutralizing aspects. These Camo drops are basically, it's a hybrid between like a serum and a treatment. So you would actually cleanse your face, tone your face, use whatever hydrating serums that you use beforehand. And this would be right before you use your makeup. The ingredients, I don't believe there's any sort of like dimethicone or silicone in it to make it a primer for makeup, but it does leave your face feeling a little bit powdery and smoother. And it also neutralizes any pinkness that you have in your skin. So it is perfect by itself, but it's also awesome with makeup. But the idea is that it's going to be green, which is the opposite of red on the color wheel. And as you actually rub the product in and neutralizes the redness, it turns a slight beige universal skin tone. What I like about this is that if I have a day where I'm not wearing any makeup, it pretty much acts as my own makeup by neutralizing the redness and giving my skin a more even complexion. But then I don't have any transfer, it doesn't rub off on anything. And I wanted to show you guys a little up close because all I have on today, makeup wise, like skincare wise, is the neutralizer and then a little bit of blush on my cheeks. So maybe I should have done a side by side. But it does help neutralize the redness, and I'll actually show on the back of my hand a drop. So it's not like my hand has as much redness as my face does, but this way you guys can kind of see the consistency of it and how it kind of mats down, which I really like. And actually looks really good. And this is the hand that I put it on, and this is the hand I didn't. So as you can see, it automatically looks a lot brighter. It looks a lot more calm. This is the one with, and this is the one without. And that's just on my hand. And so I really love the product. I haven't noticed that throughout the day it wears off. So I would highly recommend that if you're somebody who has very sensitive skin, sensitized skin because maybe you overexfoliated, maybe it's sensitized right now because it's winter, it's colder, it's really, really hot where you live and you're just having a lot of flare-ups, that would be a great product to try before actually having to do any prescription strength products. The best part for me anyways, is that this actually helps correct the redness and help repair the skin. There are 3 specific ingredients that actually make this way more useful than just covering up redness. This one is an herb complex and mineral solution, and that's actually gonna help strengthen the skin. As long as you're making the skin a little bit more resilient to outside factors, whether it's cold outside, too hot outside, and that's why you get red, or you have rosacea, this will actually help strengthen the skin. That way, when your skin is met with inflammation, it's going to actually help neutralize and make your skin not flare up so badly. Second is Centella asiatica, which is an ingredient that basically just replenishes the skin, helps immediately neutralize redness and comfort the skin. So that's going to be the immediate effect of you toning down the redness, feeling way more comfortable before you actually get the effects of strengthening the skin. This gives a temporary relief before your skin actually starts getting better. And the last ingredient is the Green Energy Complex, which they say just energizes and revitalizes the skin. I'm going to take that as it adds like a nice glow to your skin. I haven't really noticed that much of a difference with that ingredient, but it is one of the main ones that they say is what makes the product so special. Now, once again, like I had said a while ago when I was using the Tiger Grass cream, the only downside is that since it says it's a universal tint, I don't know how true that is. I feel like I'm a very neutral beige color. like medium tone, where a lot of universal, tints look okay on me. I haven't experienced any ashiness with this product. Of course, if you have a little bit more deeper, skin tone or a little bit more tan to your skin, you might notice that's a little bit ashier. I'm not sure. But at least for somebody that's around my skin tone, I would say even a little bit darker, you should be fine. And it's pretty accessible. I mean, you guys know I stay in Sephora, got mine at Sephora, but I know that they sell it on their own website. I even seen a few on Amazon. Just always have to be careful with Amazon because you never know if the distributor has a fake product or a real product. But aside from that, it's something that you can easily order and pick up in the store. That's it for me, guys. Very short, sweet, to the point. Don't need to tell you a lot about this product. It pretty much speaks for itself. I would highly recommend, grabbing it, especially for anybody that that has sensitive skin, or if you have sensitive skin. And of course, in the description box, I will leave a little bit more details of the product, a link where you can purchase it, as well as the pricing. And then down there, I will also have my Instagram. That way you guys can follow me. I do have a skincare Instagram as well as my personal one, so I'll leave both in the description box. Then of course, I always want to hear back from you guys if you have any comments or any future videos that you would like to see. Otherwise, I love you guys so much. Thank you and have a good one.